Okay, we're going to go ahead and work through a couple problems using Newton's second law. You should have already watched the video where we kind of explained this triangle up here and what Newton's law actually means. So let's go ahead and go through these problems. Problem number 1 says, how much force is needed to move a 10 kilogram box 2 meters per second squared? So remember from our last video, kilograms is what we use to measure mass. So we know that we have our mass. So we would put our 10 here where mass goes. Then we know 2 meters per second squared, acceleration is measured in meters per second squared. So we could put that here. And it tells you what you're solving for. It says, how much force? So we know that we're looking for this number up here at the top. So remember, if the numbers are side by side, just like this, we multiply. So that would be 10 times 2, and we would solve, and we would get 20. But do we just write 20? No. Our answer is 20. We're solving for force, so our unit of measurement is newtons. Remember, you can always use a calculator to solve for any problem, even one that's simple like this. Make sure you check your answers, just so we don't make any silly mistakes. All right, question number 2 says, how much, or a force of 20 newtons, so we know we have force, was used to accelerate an object to 10 meters per second squared. So we have force and acceleration. What was the mass? So we're looking for mass. So this is the number that we're looking for. 20 newtons goes to the top. 10 meters per second squared is our acceleration. Remember, if the numbers are one on top of another, we divide. The number that is on the top, the force, always goes inside your house when you divide. 20 divided by 10 is 2. Our answer is 2, but it is not just 2. It's 2 mass is measured in kilograms. All right, our third problem. A force of 100 newtons was applied to a 20 kilogram ball. What was the ball's acceleration? So we're solving for acceleration. This number over here. Let's plug our numbers in. A force of 100 newtons was applied to a 20 kilogram ball. That tells you that that's the mass. Remember, numbers are one on top of another. We divide. Top number goes inside the house. 100 divided by 20 is 5. Our answer is 5, but remember to use our unit of measurement, and acceleration is measured in meters per second squared. You'll be doing a few more problems on your own, so make sure that you understand how to do this or replay the video to relearn.